That's funny. Thank you to Giant Eagle Pharmacy for never knowing where my prescription is. I was just picking up my prescription for my eczema. Yum. And they're always like, can't find it. What's your date of birth? How do you spell your name? And I'm like, B-R-A, like, whatever. I got it. They had it. Somehow it just hides in that drawer. I'm picking up the mail from our old place, just so it doesn't build up. Ooh, yeah, we got some goodies. A lot of goodies. I think I'm gonna go inside too, just because I'm curious. You wanna come with me? I did not miss this. It doesn't smell good. It's dirty. That guy has had a dead plant sitting there since we moved in, and he just got a live one. Bravo. Bravo. You can. What is this? Something from some church. How nice. I can smell the smoke already. Ew. So naked in here and so smelly. It smells awful. Oh, that reminds me, I'm supposed to take this basket. Good thing I came inside. Hey guys, the lights are on.
Ooh, I can see.
If you were faithful video watchers, you would know what I was talking about. Hint, hint.
So guys, whoops. Don't overfill the oil on your lawnmower, because then it puffs out white smoke, and that's not supposed to happen. So Michelle and I are draining the oil, and then of course the gas came out, but I guess you learn from your mistakes.
That's what to tell everyone how dumb we are.
Oops. We're stupid new homeowners.
That don't even own
a home.